The Nix Mini 3-color sensor is a compact handheld colorimeter that quickly captures accurate color readings from almost any surface, making it ideal for designers, painters, and DIY users. Its companion app can match scanned colors to a very large library of popular paint brands, which saves enormous time when you're trying to find a close equivalent for touch-ups or new projects. Beyond paint, the device provides precise digital color values like RGB, hex, and CMYK, so it fits smoothly into graphic design, printing, and digital workflow pipelines. In real use, the sensor delivers reliable matches on major paint lines and can also tap into well-known professional standards such as Pantone, REL, and NCS for more specialized work. The unit is designed to work consistently without regular calibration, which means you can pull it out of your bag and start scanning without fiddling with maintenance routines. Its small, rugged housing with resistance to dust splashes and everyday knocks makes it a trustworthy tool to carry on job sites, in studios, or while traveling.